Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. If you are here, you are probably looking for a way to cancel your Kohl's credit card. Today we will guide you through the process step by step, making it as simple as possible. So let's dive in. Step 1. Check your balance. Before you start the cancellation process, you first thing you need to do is check your account balance. Make sure your balance is fully paid off. Kohl's will not allow you to close your account if you have an outstanding balance. Log into your Kohl's account and navigate to the billing section to verify your balance. Step 2. Redeem rewards. Next, check if you have any Kohl's cash or reward points. If you do, be sure to redeem them before cancelling your card. Once the card is closed, you may lose access to these rewards. Under the rewards section, you can see any available rewards. Use them in store or online before proceeding. Step 3. Contact customer service. Once you have confirmed a zero balance and you have redeemed any rewards, it's time to contact Kohl's customer service to initiate the cancellation. You can do this by calling their customer service number, which you can find on the Kohl's website or on the back of your credit card. Now heading to the step 4, request cancellation. When you get through to a representative, let him know you want to cancel your Kohl's credit card, but be clear and polite. They may ask for your name, account number, and some security questions to verify your identity. Have your details ready to streamline the process. Now, step 5, confirm cancellations. After you have made the cancellation request, ask the representative for confirmation. Take note of the representative's name, the date, and any confirmation number they provide. This information will be useful if there are any discrepancies later. Now, here is some tips and warning for you. Keep in mind that cancelling a credit card may impact your credit score. It's good idea to check your credit report after the cancellation to ensure everything is accurate. If you decided to open another card in the future, remember that Kohl's may have specific waiting periods or conditions. That's it. By following these steps, you can now cancel Kohl's credit card. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and click on this bell icon. We will meet you again with another informative video. Till then, goodbye.